Imagine if you had a place where you could go and never be disturbed while doing your real estate prospecting. Imagine going in and saying, this is a place that motivates me. This is a place where I go every day excited to do my best work. And it's a place where I go and consistently reach my goals, make the appointments I need to make, which turn into the sales I need to make to reach my annual goal. I'm Bill Zeltman, the real estate guru, and what I want to talk to you today about is your war room. What's a war room? A war room is your special place where you go to prospect, to call people on the phone, to make contact with people, to do the things you need to do to drive business and set appointments. Now, some people say, well, I go into the office or I sit on my living room couch or I go to Starbucks or I go to Panera Bread or wherever it is that you go. That's great. And if those places work for you, you could make them your war room. But every place that I mentioned has distractions. The office, you go in and you sit there and you talk with another agent or with your admin or with your broker during the time you're supposed to be on the phone speaking to prospects. You're in front of your television on your couch and you've got the TV on in the background. Next thing you know, you get distracted by a story in the news or you're watching something else that grabs your attention. You're distracted. What I want you to do is go to a place where you can sit there and you can make the room about nothing but real estate prospecting. So the first thing, and this isn't for everybody, but for people that are visual, is I want you to create a vision board. What's a vision board? A vision board is a board that you put, it's a picture or a group of pictures that you put on the wall that basically show you what it is, why you're working. Whether it is you want to move to a bigger house, put a picture of the house you want to move to. You want to buy a boat, put a picture of the boat. You want to send your kid to college, put a picture of the college or something that resembles that. I want you to, you're going to take a dream vacation. Put a picture of the place you want to go on there. This is your vision board. So your vision board is a place that when you walk into that office on a Monday morning and you're kind of sluggish and you don't feel like making calls, you look at it and it gets you motivated. Now again, you may not be visual. Find what it is that's going to make you motivated, that's going to make you excited to do the things you need to do to be successful in real estate. The second thing I need you to have in your war room are your scripts. You should have your scripts for expired listings, for sale by owners, when you're doing your call arounds for just listed or just solds. Have every script there ready to go, organized, so that you can review them. Before you get started, call your script partner. If you don't have a script partner, get a script partner. Find someone in your office that you can call and they can call you and say, hey, can we spend 10 minutes going through, I've got a lot of expired listings I'm going to call today. Can we just review it a couple times and get yourself warmed up? You wouldn't go run a marathon without warming up first. Why would you start prospecting without warming up first? So have your scripts there, review them again, either by yourself or with a script partner, and get ready for your day. Have your CRM there, your computer, whatever it is, have your CRM open so that you can take notes and that you can actually sit there and count. If I had to speak to 10 people today, here's one, here's two, here's three, and mark them off. Some other people also use, they'll use little boards and things like that. And I think I have an example here. Maybe I don't. Sorry. Thought I did. Oh, here we go. Where you can actually, if you look at the bottom of this note, get it up there. You see how I have the things checked off? What these are is you can actually put how many people it takes you to call. And again, this is for people that are visual or that like a challenge. How many people did I have to call to make an appointment? Challenge yourself. I'm going to talk to 10 people today. I'm going to get at least one appointment. Or I'm going to make calls today until I do get an appointment. And you call and you call and you call. And if it takes you 20 people to make an appointment, the next time you do it, challenge yourself. Hey, you know what? Next time I'm going to do it in 18. These are little tricks to motivate you and things that you can do in your war room that's hard to do in other places. Because in your war room, everything's organized for your success. Everything's there at your fingertips. You're on a phone call and all of a sudden somebody throws an objection you're not ready for. Have your list of rebuttals sitting there and you can roll right through it and you say, oh, here's one that I probably needed to work on a little bit more, but that's okay. I have it written out here and I can get through it with these people. That's what a war room is. So if you don't have a war room, get your war room set up. It will revolutionize your real estate career. Then schedule your time in that war room. Don't let anyone take away from that time. If it's 9 to noon, Monday to Friday, be in there 9 to noon, Monday to Friday, without distraction. Let everyone know, your family, your friends, your broker, or anybody that you know. During that time when you're in your war room, you are not to be disturbed. And when you're in there, don't look at your emails. Don't text somebody unless it's somebody that you're texting back and forth that's a prospect. Use that time to prospect. And you know what you're going to find out? You're going to become a top realtor in your marketplace because you're reaching your calls and you're reaching your contacts every day. Again, I'm Bill Zeltman, the real estate guru, just talking to you a little bit more about your war room. Get that war room set up. Use it every day. You'll thank me. We'll catch you again next time on The Guru's Dish.